Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on the Uno game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uno game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will be taken into the home page from which you will be asked to log into your account. And if you don't have one already, you can use the same sign-in buttons to create your new account. In order to log into your existing account, you can either sign in with Google Play or your Facebook. Click on whichever option you choose, and you will be asked to either log in to your Google or Facebook account or choose your appropriate account if you have multiple ones on your device. After choosing your preferred account, simply click on the Continue button and then proceed with allowing your permissions by clicking on Allow. Once you allow all of the necessary permissions from either your Facebook or your Google Play account, this will proceed with logging you in to your Uno game account. And now, once you have been logged in, you can directly start enjoying the Uno game on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on the Uno game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.